Hello? Hello? I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I've already forgot like 5 things. So I think I'm probably not at this point, right? There's no way I could be forgetting something now. I don't know. I guess I'll find out. I'll find out as soon as I start. Hello. Hi everyone. How's it going? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Mark, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Guido, congrats on getting first today. Your very first. Congrats. Jan, welcome in. Charit, welcome in. Bees, welcome in. RMJ, hello, how are you doing? Ooh, thanks for, yes, there's a crowd control Sims goal now, so if anybody wants to contribute to that, crowd control Sims is a little chaotic, for sure. So if you want to spend your channel points on that, there is that. I know sometimes people, you just want something to spend their points on. So there's that. I just started that today. RMJ, thank you for the 5 months. Thank you. I appreciate it. Scorpy, welcome in. Vici, hello. I hope you're enjoying your trip. Thank you for stopping in. And thank you for everybody who has already contributed. And Marth, thank you for the 15 months. Thank you. I appreciate that. Necro, hello. How are you doing? How's it going? Who am I feel like so much happened. I wasn't even at my computer. VG, thank you for the bits. I appreciate it. Thank you. Snowdog. Oh, I have not flipped the cat yet. Okay. I have not flipped the cat, so. All right. I wanted to get some tea at the last second, and I was like, oh, it's already 7:01. I should probably go start the stream. Oh, shoot. All right, 1 second. Cat down. Oh, no. Oh, no. It rolled away. Oh, no. Oh, okay. It has to share its spot with the koala now, so, you know. Clouds, how are you doing? How's it going? Welcome in. Marth, how's your day? How's it going? You forgot you were streaming? I didn't forget I was streaming. I just like went I went and made tea. I like started stream. Well, cuz it was like 6:55 the last time I looked at the time, and then I was like, "Oh shoot, it's 7:01 now." Dang. Yes, I just redid my hair, so it's much brighter. I redid it. Also, B, I was wondering who I recognized that name on Twitter because I saw them on Twitter with the emotes, and I was like, this person's name is familiar. I don't know where I know them from. So it's your community. Okay, that makes more sense. Because I was like, how do I don't know how I know this person, but they're familiar to me. Colleen, welcome in. Thank you. I appreciate it. Also, Sal, hello. How are you doing? How was your birthday celebration? Tell me what you did. If you want to share, of course. You don't have to. But yeah, the holiday has kind of thrown me off. I did the whole day. I was so, like, I wasn't busy. But I did a lot. I honestly, there's only one thing on my list that I didn't do. And I had a pretty long list. So I feel pretty good about that. But yes, thank you. Welcome in, everybody. How's it going? And thank you for all the compliments on the hair. I'm glad I wasn't planning on bleaching it because I literally don't have any more bleach. Like, there was literally no more like that I had at home. So good thing I just dyed it. Ventus, welcome in. How are you doing? How's it going? My drawing tablet wasn't delivered for the second time in a row. I'm assuming like it's still gonna come, right? Like they didn't send it back to where it came from, because that would suck if you had to deal with that twice. Still, it sucks that they have probably attempted to deliver, but not really, you know? I hate when they do that. I'm sorry, that really sucks. Dodgers, welcome in. How are you doing? Your favorite hockey team is in the Cups. Ooh, that's exciting. Who's your favorite hockey team? I know that the Kraken were in the final. Well, they weren't in the finals. They were in the playoffs. But they didn't make it. They're already out, I'm pretty sure. But I did see the game. I went to the game that they made it to the playoffs in, which was kind of cool. Tiny Rick, welcome in. How are you doing? How's it going? It was excellent. Yes, went to your favorite coffee place. Did crafts in the park. Shopped for a bit for electronics. Got dinner. Ooh, how was it was Ethiopian food, right? And your roomie made you a cake? Oh my gosh, that sounds like a really fun weekend. That sounds like a lot of fun. Did you enjoy your day off today too? Did you celebrate at all today, or did you just like chill after all that? It looks really great without the bleach. Thank you. I mean, my roots weren't like, they're pretty dark still, but it's okay. I think it looks good enough. They weren't really that long, so it didn't really matter. Luckily, which is good. The Vegas Nights. Oh, okay. Cool. That's awesome. Are you playing Moo Moo Ranch Day? No. Absolutely not. Green, welcome in. How are you doing? Thanks for collecting your candy. Also, we have new follower emotes. If you haven't noticed, I got them off Twitter. So if you're curious, I don't know if I tagged them on the emotes, but I know they have to approve that before. So I don't know if they've went through and like approved that or not. But yeah, their name will show up eventually once they like accept that they did him. They're currently up 5-0. Oh, so they're playing right now. Ooh, that's fun. That's fun. Don't know the distribution center is about 5 or 10 minutes away from the drop-off location. Oh, that's annoying. Oh no, I'm sorry, Necro. That's really frustrating. I hope you get it tomorrow. My day was good though. I was really productive, even though I wanted to do nothing. But I knew if I tried to do nothing, I wasn't not gonna be happy with it because I feel like I have a lot to do, you know? So yeah. Florida Panthers. Oh, I was watching a Florida Panthers game. I was at like a restaurant the other day and they had the Florida Panthers playing. Interesting. That sounds fun. Today was just chill and go to GameStop to try and get a new Switch controller. Oh no, it's so bad you can't play Tears of the Kingdom. That sucks. Are you planning on, or did you get one, or are you planning on getting the new one? It's pretty nice. I like it. I'm not using it for this game, but I like it. And the stick, I left the stick, of course. So yeah, you guys can still have the stick, you know? Monica, either you started really early or I've completely lost track of time. It's Monday. I didn't start early though, no. Also, Desi, welcome in. How's it going? Oh no, you must have had, oh, you didn't put a space. That's what happened, Necro. Gonna get something to drink. Yes, go get something to drink. If anybody needs to run away, we're not starting the game yet. So if you need to go grab something, that'd be a good time. Exactly. It was good to be productive. It was good, but yeah, I was also like, oh no, I still am not ready to go back to work. Am I ever ready to go back to work? No, I'm not. So, you know, maybe if I had a full week off, I need to plan another vacation, honestly. That's what I need to do. Vacation would be nice. Even if it's just to go home to see my family, which is really the only vacation I've been on in like the last 5 years. But, you know, I would like to see them too, I guess. They only had wire ones. Oh, okay. You ordered on offline? You ordered one offline. Okay. So, is it actually a Pro controller, or what kind of controller did you get? Because I got a good one. Like the one I use is like not a Pro controller, and it's really good still. So, I mean, I haven't had any problems, and it scans amiibos too, so it's like worth it if you don't want to get a Pro one. I'd be in the middle of doing something for the last, I have no idea how many hours. Oh no, Kevin. Well, it sounds like maybe you need to take a break from it, you know, stretch your legs if you've been doing it for a long time. It happens, Necro. The bot, if you put anything that remotely, like a period, and you don't put a space, it's always going to delete the message because it thinks it's a link. That's just the way it's like programmed. I'm definitely not ready to go back to work tomorrow. Same. Is anybody ready? But I know I have, like, in a couple more weeks, I have another 3-day weekend. And then in a couple more weeks after that, so more than a month, probably 5 weeks, I have a 4-day weekend. My work actually gave us a 4-day weekend for 4th of July weekend. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I'm excited about the long weekends I've got coming up, you know. That's what's going to keep me going. You know, I get another one soon, you know. New emotes, they're so cute, right? I loved them. I saw them on Twitter earlier, and I wanted to get them. It was like an impulse buy. Like, literally, I saw them, and I was like, this would fit much better on my channel than the cats. I just bought them. Planning on taking 3 weeks off this summer to do nothing and do house projects. That sounds nice. And good place to use all your PTO for sure too. So you don't have to stress about doing like house stuff while you're like, you know, trying to work also on the weekdays. So yeah, that's good. That's exciting. It's a knockoff, but so much cheaper, and it's a cute light blue / green. Yes, you should share a picture when you get it. That sounds cute. You say it's good, but when you aim, I'm screaming. Wait, what do you mean it's good? Wait, what do you mean? Hold on. What do you mean, Guido? Which one? Oh, you talking about this? Yeah, it's not, that's not, I don't think it's just a controller thing. If you're talking, are you talking about in this playthrough? I'm assuming so. In my Majora's Mask playthrough, if you're talking about that one, I was using this controller. No, it just connected. It says I'm player 3 with this. Doesn't make any sense. I was using this controller. The joysticks and the oil. I'm just really bad at controlling the joysticks. I hate, that's why if I had the option to play a game on PC, I would, because I'm way better at aiming with my mouse, which I'm sure most people feel that way. I'm really bad at aiming. I've always been bad at with joysticks. I said it earlier this afternoon, stopped when I ate dinner, and been working on this since. Yes, Kevin, take another break then. It sounds like you need another break. You want happy Koala? Okay, perfect. Koala is still happy from yesterday, so he will be happy for the rest of the stream. Nobody wants him to be evil. I think the evil one's cute, but you know. Also, Roy, welcome in. How are you doing? How's it going? The last time I took 3 weeks off was back in September. Okay. And when I went back to work, I strictly just turned my truck in. Oh, yeah. Monica's a pro Valorant player. No. I just mean more like Red Dead. I don't feel like I was as bad at aim at Red Dead when I played. But I don't know. Maybe I was. I was better, I think, than any Zelda game. Oh, you'll pick evil next time? No, you're fine. No worries. I think, you know, people just like it being happy. Like, they always want the cat to be happy, too. So, did you get a chill day today? I was busy, but it wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. I would say it was a good day. Don't want to go back to work, but it was still a good day. Oh, you lost one, Sal. Yes. Red Dead Monaco was a vibe. Oh, that reminds me. If you guys subscribe to my YouTube, there's going to be a Red Dead video coming out. Because I had edited it 95% of the way through. And I was like, do I just delete this? Because I played Red Dead a year ago. Do I just delete this? Or do I just upload it? So I just uploaded it. I was like, I don't know what to do with this video. It's been sitting in my, like, DaVinci Resolve for a year now. I don't know why, but so you're welcome. You can see a Red Dead video coming out soon because I didn't know what to do about it. So yeah, I also have like 3 more Red Dead videos that I was gonna work on that I just never made. I didn't do evil. For anybody who didn't see my playthrough, I didn't do an evil playthrough. I did a good playthrough. I was honorable Arthur. But, you know, didn't do an evil one. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. I appreciate it. Yes, evil. Sal, I know you missed a lot of that playthrough. And I know Lacey always wants me to play again. I don't know. Maybe one day. It's not on my list of games to play because I've already played it. You know, but maybe one day. We'll see. We'll see. It's a really long game, so I don't know. Beast, that you're here. Well, welcome in, Jordan. Thanks for coming in, and thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Do you play a lot of Zelda yourself, or do you like Zelda? You'll be lurking. No worries, Colleen. Thank you so much for the lurk. I appreciate it. I hope you're doing well. I don't know if I got you. Let me get a shout out for Colleen. Everybody check out Colleen. She plays a lot of Pokemon, a lot of cozy vibes over there. A lot of shiny hunting. But yeah, thank you for the lurk. I appreciate it. That was when I was both very sick and probably to move. Yeah. Yeah, I remember I didn't see you for a while. You guys are really, really competing with the cat today. I flipped this 3 times already. Are y'all okay? I like watching Zelda, but you're not smart enough for the puzzles. I don't think I'm smart enough for the puzzles. Have you played Breath of the Wild? I think Breath of the Wild was like a good introduction for me, you know? And then if you have to use a guide, if you want to play it and you have to use a guide, like just do it that way, you know? If you want to play a game, I just say play it, you know? I'm not very good. I'm not gonna lie. But we do play where I struggle for a little bit. We have like a, I don't do backseating. So yeah, we usually, I'm usually struggling. So, you know, it's completely fine. Every run's a speed run. You think so? Of Red Dead? That's fair. I didn't do anything. I didn't do half the stuff I could have done in Red Dead. Because that game is huge. I think I did like maybe 1/4 of it, and that was just the story. Play how you want. Exactly. I think that I was afraid to play like Zelda, especially like Ocarina of Time, because I was like, this game looks hard. And like, I remembered playing games when I was a kid, and I couldn't figure out what the heck I was doing, and I just wouldn't look it up because it was back when there were guidebooks, you know. I wouldn't look it up, and I would just give up on the game. And so I was like, you know what? I was always afraid to try games like this, but I really like them. Someone flipping your cat? Yeah, I couldn't. I'm sorry. 2 people have flipped the cat today. I've not played Breath of the Wild either. Last Zelda game I played was Link to the Past on the Super Nintendo. Oh, okay. Well, Breath of the Wild, I would say, is a good one to start with because there's puzzles in it, but they're a little more simpler. And there's not like, and you can always leave and come back to it too. So, I mean, there are some bigger dungeons, but they're not that bad. I would think Breath of the Wild would be a good one to start with. Yes, we're playing Super Mario 64 on Thursday. If you didn't see the schedule, it's my first time playing it. So I've seen a lot of it, but I don't know how I'm going to be playing it. But yeah, we're going to play that on Thursday. So if you guys want to see that, we'll be doing that. But yeah, I've only seen speedruns of it. So I don't think I've even seen like people doing the full thing. Because I've seen like, I don't know, whatever the speedrun is. The minimum, I think, or whatever. But yeah, we have one of our mods here, Favlam. I haven't seen him recently. I think he's been traveling for work, but he likes to speedrun that game. So yeah, I've seen it a few times from him, but I don't think he does the whole thing. Ooh, you lost a candy. Oh no! Every run of every game is a speedrun. It's just the speed is extremely variable. Okay, all right. You can view it that way. Ocarina is not so bad. Majora, though. Majora was a little bit of a struggle to figure out. I did ask for a lot of help in that game. More than I did in Ocarina of Time. I think I also struggled a lot more in Ocarina of Time. I think I was willing to put up with less struggle in Majora's Mask when I played it because of the time aspect. I was stressed, like, wasting time. And so I asked for more help when I played that game because I knew that there was a clock, you know what I mean? How much for a cat flip just in case I run out of channel points? Oh no, couldn't. Oh no. You know, I think you're fine. I think you're set. You're okay. That's what's so nice about the shrines. I like that you can give up on... Yeah, exactly. Me too. Me too. Because obviously, especially those really hard ones, if you enter like a major test of strength and you only have 3 hearts, like, I ain't doing that. No, thank you. Mario 64 is your all-time favorite? Yes, I love that. Yeah, we're playing it. I'm playing it, well, for the first time. I've never played it. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. I wanted to use my Nintendo 64 controller a little more. So I was like, what else is on this thing? 0, 1, 16, 70, and 120 are the categories. I think it's 16. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it's 16. I didn't know there was a 1-star run. What would be the point of doing that? That's interesting. But yeah, I know a few people are excited about that, which I'm glad. That was one of the games I was considering playing like last week when I was going to do a variety day. I was like, oh, we'll play this game. But then I changed my mind at the last minute because I was like, I don't know. And I played Animal Crossing, which I still had fun playing Animal Crossing. Social media, welcome in. And thanks for collecting your candy, Tiny Rick. I appreciate it. Oh, couldn't. Okay, all right. Everything under 70 requires glitches. The ones under 16 require a lot of glitches. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then it was probably, I think it was 16, because it definitely wasn't the 71. Because I think Berlin was doing it in like 20 minutes. So I'd imagine it was the 16 one. I think. But anyways, yeah, I said I was going to get into the game when I got back, and then I didn't. So I'm sorry. Now we'll get into the game. You know, I got your hopes up, and then I didn't do it. So, yeah, I feel a little bad. Also, how's everybody? Did everybody get a lot of hours in Tears of the Kingdom this weekend with your 3-day weekend? If you did, play it all over the 3-day weekend? Okay, no, we're only playing with this controller, not the other ones that have somehow linked today. 20 minutes is probably 16 stars. Okay. What, Sally? No comment? Well, you weren't at home, were you? Autosave? Okay. I always get confused because it stands out, and I think that's my save. But it looks like I'm literally in like the exact same spot. I was out a lot and then broken controller, so not nearly as much as you'd think. Okay. That's okay. I saw Bunny. I know she's not in here yet. I'm sure we'll see her later, but she said she finished the game. All right, so we finished the pirate thing, which I'm sad about because I think this pirate was like the best part of the game so far. Oh, shoot. I want to go back this way, I think. If I can. Because I know that there was like an alternate route, I think, that I could have went. I wonder if I can just grab onto it over here. Instead of jumping there, because that looks a bit sketchy. But yeah, I don't actually know where we're supposed to go. Probably to the sky, to be honest. But we're going to go this way first. Because I think that there was an alternate route that I could go. That is not what I selected. Low. Probably won't actually 100%, but we'll do all the side quests. Oh, of Tears of the Kingdom?
Hi, how are you?
I expect you to be playing for months. That's true. Probably, yeah. Yeah. Just do lots of exploring. I imagine a lot of people will be. Can I not go this way? Oh, right here, maybe? Okay. Also, Henry, welcome in. How are you doing? Thanks for collecting your candy. Song. Oh, that's right. She did say it. Thank you, RMJ. Thank you. You all remember this stuff. But yeah, let's go this way first because I remember there being an alternate path. I was thinking about it yesterday. I was like, I think there's another path I could have taken, so I want to see what is the other way. Zach, welcome in. How are you doing? It's good to see you. There's so much to explore. Yes, I'm excited to play it. I'm excited. But also, like, very nervous. You know, because Breath of the Wild was my first Zelda game, and I'm just, like, I'm nervous how I'm going to compare it, you know? Thanks for collecting your candy. How have you been, Zach? It's good to see you. Did you have the day off today? I think this way. That's what I was, Also, I don't know if I... Oh, no, that's not a place to bomb, actually. Okay. Why does it sound so ominous in here? I want to go this way. What does this say, actually? Ahead it is Lanayru mine. It is there I will solve the mystery of the time shift stones. Okay. I think this is the way I came in, right? Piece of candy. Canada's... That's right. I forgot you were in Canada. Sorry. We just have Patriot Day last week. Oh, okay. Did you get a Monday off for that? Or just a day off? Adventures await those solving the mysteries of the quarry in the desert. I don't know which way I came in. I don't think I came in this way. Let's see if I can get up here. Jedi, hello! Thanks for the celebrate. How are you doing? How's it going? You did get a day off? Ooh, that's good. Hope you enjoyed it. I got a really productive like day off, but I am satisfied with it, which is good. How are you doing, Jedi? How's it going? I'm so bad at walking. I must have been walking across something that was like a scary bridge. Or like very minimal movement. Yeah. Nox, welcome in. I just redid my hair. How are you doing? Was that from the fire temple? Maybe. There's quite a few places I struggled walking in that game. Fire temple was one of them. 719, honestly, probably, because that game, I played that game from like June to like September, I think. Not DVD. Okay, that's not what Discord said, Nox. I mean, I didn't spy on you all day, but I did see that you were playing DVD like probably 5 hours ago. Star-Lord, welcome in. How's it going? How are you doing? Is this how I got in here? No. Where the heck am I? Have I been here before? I'm not sure. Oh, is this the entrance? I don't remember being here before. Is this where I started? Maybe so. When I first fell from the sky, I think I landed up here. Maybe. Maybe.
Classic Monica.
Exactly. Welcome in, Reki. Thank you for the 15 months. I appreciate it. All right, let's go to the sky. You know, I didn't know where I was going, and I wanted to try it out. Okay. Turns out I was going nowhere. Okay. Let's go. I don't know if I can go straight to that thing. Oh, maybe I can. Hold on. I didn't know I could. We'll just head right there then. We're not messing around. We're here to get the next song. Don't mind me flying really terribly. Oh, shoot. Okay, I went really out of the way there. I wonder how flying this would be if I was using motion controls. But like only a little bit. Like not that much. Yeah, I could just flop right on my stomach, you're right. Awful, that's what it is. Is that how you played this game? You know, my neighbor hasn't been home for like a couple weeks. And I was like, oh, I wonder if they moved out. But no, they're just being really loud today, so. They didn't move out. They were just gone. You played with nothing but motion controls. Did you play on the Wii or did you play with the Switch version? Maybe they're moving the stuff of the last of their stuff. Maybe. You know, that's true because it is. If they are moving, that'd be, you know, it is the end of the month. It is the time people move out. There's hope. They need to go on vacation more, right? Right? That'd be nice. It's just the people above me. The people next to me are kind of loud sometimes too, but they're not that bad. Hi, it's me, your neighbor. Keep it down. No. You played on Wii? Oh, okay. Did you ever play this version of the game? Because, yeah, I'm playing on the Switch. Imagine that I played it for the first time on Wii U, but only the gamepad screen with motion. That sounds... I don't know about all that. Shiro, welcome in. How are you doing? I don't know about all that. Just flailing on the Wii. Did the graphics look any different in the Wii version? Is it like this? Does it look any different? I wasn't really sure. I don't know if I've ever seen the Wii version. You're writing a strongly worded letter to the landlord. I'm gonna tell the landlord that you like to drop things a lot before 7 a.m. and you're really loud. Just saying. I could have been complaining for a long time, Ventus. It was interesting on that mini screen. Yeah, and then having to use that as motion controls, that'd be weird. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Looks the same? Okay, interesting. Yeah, I wasn't sure. I haven't seen it. It's a bit different? Okay. I'd be curious. Maybe I need to look it up on like YouTube or something. Oh, is that not it? My bad. Richmond, welcome in. Hello, hello. How are you doing? What is happening? I have important information, okay? When you struck the crest with the Skyward strike from your sword, a message from the goddess awakened deep within my memory. The goddess intended this message for you, Master. These are her words. And now she's dancing. Or striking a pose, I don't know. He who seeks the sacred flames, listen well, for I am the one guiding you from my place at the edge of time. This is a dramatic dance, okay? The last of the sacred flames still eludes you. To obtain it, you must claim another sacred gift. For each trial you overcome, you shall be blessed with another gift. Yes, okay, this does sound very familiar. Make use of the power of these gifts and you will most certainly find the path to the sacred flames. Now I bestow onto you another melody. Let it serve as a key to unlocking your final trial. It awaits you upon Eldin Volcano. Okay, now she's dancing. All right. She's really sparkly this time, though. I don't remember all these sparkles before. Ooh, look at all the loft wings. I'll flip it in a second, couldn't it? It looks so cute. According to my records, that song you just heard is called Din's Power. Use that song of might to locate the last trial. And they said the volcano, I remember. They were in Din's Power, okay. Did that statue come in last time? I don't remember that. I have committed Din's Power to my memory. Now you have the ability to use dowsing to locate the gate to the final trial. I suggest you travel to Eldin Volcano. Oh, geez, another stressful time trial. That's what I'm sensing here. I like how it gives me, like, so many more spots to, like, navigate to things, but then literally no more options. I don't know how to pick other things to... Oh, can I, like, route that thing to, like, find certain bugs and stuff? Here you go, couldn't. He is always extra. Does seem like that. You have bowling matches in the middle of the night. Ventus, that's a bit dramatic. I don't know about all that. I heard there's a few game differences. Oh, okay, interesting. My Monday was good, very productive, because I didn't have to work, which was nice. You know, I'm starting... Maybe I should take off another 3-day weekend. Like, literally just, like, put it on the calendar. My supervisor's going out of town next week, but, you know. So I can't do it next week, but... Should take more 3-day weekends, huh? Ellie, welcome in. Hello, hello. Do I need to save? Probably not. Yes, another scary time travel. I'm ready. But I feel like since this is probably the last one, because I only needed 3 sacred flames, it's probably gonna be the hardest one. The last one was a little bit more difficult for sure from the first one. Oh shoot. I forgot what button to press. I was like, oh no. I was trying to use my glider, but this isn't Breath of the Wild, so. Always in favor of people taking more time off? Yes. I should take more time off. I don't know. I always think I need my PTO for other things, which, you know, if I want to take a long vacation, I do need it, but. Oh gosh. Please stay away from me. Matt, welcome in. How are you doing? How's it going? Also, everybody who's just joining us, we have new follower emotes. If you haven't checked them out, they're little. They're Zelda ones this time. They fit the channel. Oh shoot! Where should I go? Can I get off the? How is ZR dive and jump off the bird? It's a little confusing. Unless that was what the dive meant. It's me, your supervisor. We're taking on a new account and it's multinational chain. We're gonna need you to come in for the next several weekends, but don't worry, we'll have some pizza parties. I quit. I don't think my supervisor would ever do that. My supervisor is the type of person who, she's like, don't work yourself too hard, you know? Trying to trigger our workplace traumas, right? My hair looks incredible. Thank you. I just redid it like literally like 3 hours ago. So it's fresh, very fresh. Thanks for the follow. Welcome in. I was meaning to get it done earlier, but I took too long. Okay, I want to save now, I guess, because we did that. Save. Okay. If you're online when you're supposed to be on vacation. Yeah, the other day, because I reacted to a message that she posted in our Teams chat, as I have Teams on my phone. She messaged me and she was like, "You're not working, are you?" I was like, "No." I just opened this message on my phone. I don't think I was gonna get in trouble, but you know. If you work during your vacay, I will judge you. I've never worked. I've never even like opened my computer on my vacation. Lily, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. How are you doing today? Who works on their off day? People do. The people that are in charge of, not me, but the people who are like the heads of the finance department, they literally work 7 days a week and they're like, no problem. They're like, yeah, you know, this is part of the job. Like, no, I'm not getting on the weekends. Do I have anything to upgrade? Let me see. How's Scrapper treating you? Anything to upgrade today? I don't know. Let's see. You got it. These are all the items you have that I can upgrade right now. Last time, I remember that I couldn't actually upgrade these. What about this? Okay, I can upgrade these. This. Hold on. What about this? No, I can't upgrade that because I don't have enough monster claws. If they need you to become... But it's your choice. Yeah, no, I don't think that they would do that. I don't think they would. Since I work in finance, so like if somebody calls out at my job, it's like it's just your work's there for you tomorrow. It's not like a job like where they need staff, you know what I mean? Like at a customer service type job or like a hospital, you know, stuff like that. Like it's in finance. So if I can't make it one day, you know, if I get sick or something, like my work will be there the next day. All right, I'm gonna upgrade this. You want to upgrade this? There's no going back. All right, let's do it.
Okay.
I don't know if I've seen him upgrade anything. All done. Here you go. Okay. There's no emergency. Exactly. Exactly. That's an interesting quote, though. I've never heard that. I've never heard that quote before. Have some significant ownership in a company before I work on my day off. Yeah, same. Same. I better, like, have some stakes in this. Chippy, hello. How are you doing? Welcome in. You upgrade to the mighty scattershot. Your shots will now pepper a wide range. Hold ZR to increase your power shot. Okay. If you've got anything else you want me to tinker around with, you just let me know. I don't know. Let me see. What's this? Oh, are these the bags that hold, like, the seeds and stuff? I don't have monster claws, which is what it needs for all these. Oh, this one here. Bomb bag holds 10. I think I have 15 right now, so this will mean I can hold 20. Do I have enough money for this? Yes, I do. Okay.
Okay.
Well, you're not a paramedic anymore? Yeah. Yeah, those type of jobs, you, like, have to be there, you know? Somebody has to be there. All done. Here you go. Perfect. Red Mermaid, welcome in. How are you doing? You've upgraded to the medium bomb bag. It can hold 10 extra bombs. Carry it with you when you need extra firepower. Okay. I don't think I have anything else that I can upgrade, because my shield's fine. Unless I want to upgrade this. Yep, I can't. You know, I've been trying to catch tumbleweeds, but I just break them. But is it because I'm supposed to catch them with a net? Also, thank you. I just dyed my hair, like, a couple hours ago. A report, Master, yes. Because of the improvement to your sword, you can now use your dowsing ability to locate treasure. Rahim, welcome in. Hello, hello. How are you doing? How's it going? I have a newish coworker who is younger than me, and he's always like, I can't make this meeting because I'm off, but I can join on my phone. Oh, okay. If he's like, yeah, I mean, there are some companies that require, like, all meetings are required, so I guess that makes sense if somebody, like, thinks that they would have to come. But that's good. You can catch it. Oh, I can catch. Okay, perfect. Thank you. I didn't realize that was why I couldn't catch the tumbleweeds. Okay, now I know. Dealer's choice. Okay, well, I'm gonna wear the Link hat because we're playing Zelda, so you know. And it's like literally the most chosen hat, anyways. So you know, somebody out there wants to see the Link hat. So. But thank you for redeeming that. I thought you weren't completely sold on the red color. I did the red color because I still had more dye. So I don't know if that's what I'm going to do next time, but because I had paid money for the dye already, I was going to do it this time for sure because I already had it. I don't have any other dye colors right now. I'd have to go to the store and kind of look at them. It's funny because people who had days off that I knew still did work, but it was like cleaning their house or something. I just slept half the days on my day off. Oh, gosh. Yeah, no, I feel like I'm always busy on my days off, too. I don't remember the last meeting that couldn't have been an email. You know, sometimes my company meets for meeting. My department meets for meetings, and we just ask each other how we're doing. It's real exciting. Like, anybody got any fun vacations coming up? Like, why am I here for this? I have work to do. Bunny, welcome in. How was Paper Mario today? How are you doing? Welcome. Gotta dye my hair polka dot. Oh my gosh, remember when that was in style? Does anybody remember that? That was years ago. When, like, people would do, like, the cheetah spots in their hair, and it'd be, like, blonde, and there'd be, like, a pink. I did it. I had pink spots. It was, I can't remember what it was called. But I did it. I also did, like, stripes in my hair at one point. Not, like, my whole head. These were, like, portions, okay? Like a strand. okay? Imagine if my whole head was like zebra stripes. Be probably pretty dizzy for people to look at. I mostly slept today and played some Tears of the Kingdom. That's good. That sounds like a nice day off. How far are you getting? Do you think you're almost done with it, social media? My house is always clean, so I don't really have much to do on my... Oh, see, I mean, my house is clean. Like, it's clean enough to live in, but there's always things I could deep clean. I just always feel like I can make my place cleaner. People actually had polka dot in their hair. Yeah, like, not their whole head. But, like, it was a trend at one point, back a long time ago. Please use the additional entry in your dowsing target list as at your leisure and convenience. Funny! Thank you for gifting a sub to Richmond. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. That's very kind of you. That is so weird that it just registered that. I feel like other people have subbed today. But thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. That's very kind of you. What did you end up getting? What kind of pizza did you end up getting? I'm a senior agent. We have monthly senior agent run by complaining sessions. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe 10% into the game? Oh wow. Oh wow. You got a lot. Okay, so that's treasure. Okay, that's what I was wondering. Just literally just thinking that. I want to get this chest really bad. But yeah, thank you for gifting a sub, Bunny. I appreciate it. Regular cheese. I love cheese pizza. Nobody likes cheese pizza. Like when you go places, but you're buying a pizza to share with anybody, you just can't get cheese pizza. It's sad. Nobody likes it. All right, I think I have... What are these red dots? Are these things I need to do? No. Okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and go, like, fly and see if there's any, like, of the islands I can visit before we go back down. Let me save before I do that, because I just did something. Senior E. Oh my gosh, Rocky. I like cheese pizza, but I do prefer toppings. I would eat so much more cheese pizza if other people like cheese pizza. I mean, I like toppings on pizza as well, but cheese pizza is good. It's like a mini supervisor who our call center peeps run to for questions on calls. Oh! Oh, wow. Yeah, those, I could see those people complaining for sure. All right, let's see what kind of stuff I have open now. All right, so I have one. Oh wait, I think I can't get that one. I think we went to that one last time. And I also, you know, I don't think we have any new ones. I think I've been to all these. Wait, I don't think there was one here before. I don't remember. Is that this one? Oh my gosh, that scared me. Okay. Can't go wrong with cheese. Exactly. I don't have anything against cheese pizza, but whenever I can, I'll go to the one pizza place and grab a pineapple and broccoli. That's a pizza option. I've never seen that available anywhere. I don't know how that would taste. I can't imagine it. I'm the one? Oh, no. Yeah. You mean Ventus wrecking? Or me? I just recently had a really good pizza with mozzarella, wine poached mission figs. Oh no, not this area. That's where I crash landed in my TikTok earlier. It's okay, we know how to land this time. Fried shaved Brussels sprouts, bacon, gorgonzola. I don't like gorgonzola cheese. Isn't that blue cheese? Every time I get anything with it's on, I don't like it. I'm like, this is not good. Wait, it says I got this chest already. Okay, it's on the other side. Meat lovers. I don't like sausage. The sausage on pizza is weird, I think. Is chest inside? Wait, who's this person?
Hi.
Oh, it's the knight who broke the chandelier, still working it off, huh? Oh, hey. Father said he had some more work for you. You better go talk to him and find out what he has in mind. Oh, jeez, okay. There's only one place I know of that has those ingredients, so whenever I can, I'll go there, grab it, and take it home. So you can, it's one of those places you can just get, like, by the slice, though. I don't like blue cheese. Yeah, me either. I should clarify, home is 1,200 miles away. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's pretty far. That's pretty far. Sushi, eggs, and sausage. There's more than that, Ventus. But yeah, I don't like the sausage they put on pizzas. Like it's weird. Actually, really, I don't like any sausages. It's like, it's just weird. The texture's weird. If there was another hard pizza, right? Culinary crimes. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you what I don't like. No summer. I actually do like summer sausage. I do. That's actually okay. And beans, yeah, I don't like beans. I'm not gonna tell you everything I don't like. It'll be a long list, okay? I've never had Brussels sprouts on pizza, Chippy. That sounds interesting. Beet pesto? What? These sound interesting. They sound worth trying for sure. We used to live only 15 minutes from the pizza place. Oh, okay. Wait, where's the chest? Is it on the roof or something? Every time I hear cheese pizza, I think of the kids at work who, when I asked everyone what pizza they wanted, and everyone said pepperoni except him, and he asked for cheese, and when the pizza got there, he only ate pepperoni. He probably was, like, embarrassed. I don't know. People do weird things, you know? Okay, why does it show that there's a chest here if there's not? I feel scammed. It's on the roof. How do I get up there? Is there a ladder? I haven't investigated enough. Scam! Exactly. Thank you. You know. I forgot about that, though, Wrecking. I know I think you've mentioned that before. Chicken on pizza? Chicken's pretty good on pizza. Yeah, there's like a barbecue chicken pizza that I like. Imagine eating out with Monica. Well, I hope you would just order your own food, you know? Just saying. Can I grab on this? No. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Wait, maybe I can get out of a window or something. No. How do I get there? Do I just need to fly on my bird and just land on the roof? Dragged it on a 3,500-mile trip? Oh my gosh. Was it? I can't imagine it was good anymore. Take a lot longer on the menu? No, I usually can figure out something I want pretty quickly. Even though I'm a picky eater, restaurants have things that picky eaters like, okay? I don't want to talk to this guy. He's gonna make me do something. How do I get up there? You know what, actually, let's see what he says. Oh, you're here just in time. Just in time for another job, that is. Your next try is to help pick the pumpkins, and I don't want to hear any moaning and complaining. Oh, that's actually not that bad. This should be an easy one for you. Kina spends her afternoons picking pumpkins in the patch out back. Carry those to the storage shed. Kina can give you the details. Oh gosh. Oh, but you can only work on the patch during the day. There's no telling what will happen under the night sky. Okay. Where's the shed at? Tater, welcome in. Hello, hello. Thanks for collecting your candy. You threw it in the... There's a refrigerator and whatever you were... Oh my gosh, look how many pumpkins. I said pizza and then I said pepperoni. I'm out of here. I'm offended that I can't get that chest up there. I'll do that later. There's not anything that I can, like, use to get that, right? No. Probably easier, exactly. I have less things to choose. Thank you. Bunny! Congrats, you did it! Darn it. Yay! I was like, what am I doing? Alright, there you go. You should have it next time you, Thanks for the GGs, everyone, and the hype. That is a lot of channel points. Congrats, Bunny. That's awesome. Yay! Oh, gosh. No, I can't get it from there. Thanks for the celebrate. Alright, well, that chest is a scam. And I have all the items, too. I don't know. The only other thing I can think of, you're down to 13 points. Oh my gosh. You know what I'm saving for in your stream, Bunny? I'm saving for the... Oh, I didn't press the down thing. I'm saving for the 100k waste your points. I'm getting there. I'm like, I want to waste my points so bad. I just want to waste 100k points. If only there was a way to approach from above. This is where I'm going for. It really worked. I didn't think this would work. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it would, like, take me to the ground automatically. I would have done that first. I really thought that was like the whole... Gold rupee! Heart piece! Okay, that's fine. I'm not that mad about it. Back to eating your pizza? No worries. Congrats. We're rich. We are at 600. Well, honestly, that 300 rupee, like, I couldn't even get all of it. So I already had 500 something. First try. That's what you did too. I must be the only way. Okay, the volcano is up there. Okay. Oh, okay. I was trying to figure out how to use those. Equalux, welcome in. How are you doing? How's it going? You use that bird to the max? I honestly just thought that it wouldn't let me get up there with the bird. I thought if I dropped off of it, it would just go to the ground. All that for a rupee. I know, right? Rude. Rude. I need, heart pieces. How many heart pieces do I have, though? Oh, just one. Yeah. I'm actually... Not really. I think, yeah, I've got some heart pieces from those chests. I was like, how did I get the other heart pieces? I don't remember. See who could beat it faster? Oh my gosh, what was your time? How long did that take? Point your preferred descent area with... Okay, yeah. So they said the volcano, so I'm gonna probably... Oh, never mind. This is all volcano. I don't know. I'm just gonna pick this one, because I feel like it's probably not the temple. Descend into this area, yes. Every time! I start reading chat, and then all of a sudden the heart's beeping like that. Took 4 sessions, and I think it took me 12 hours. Oh my gosh. You were still in the last dungeon? Ooh, okay. So it sounds like you were pretty far, ahead. Last dungeon, you mean like... What do you mean by last dungeon in that game? You mean like the stone temple? Or like, the end part? Okay, Stone Tower. Okay, wow. Did you get all the masks too? We have arrived at Eldin Volcano, thank you. You can use your dowsing ability to locate the gate to the trial. You must pass this trial in order to locate the sacred flame. Iggy. Sacred flame. I'm nervous about this trial because last time they made me roll and I couldn't figure I still don't know how to roll. I don't even know how to do it. How did I do it? I thought it was press up. And all the wallet upgrades? What the heck? It's awesome. Oh, that's right. Dowsing ability is this. Hello? Hello? It's not even anywhere around here. Hello? Alright, I'm gonna point down. That's where it could be. Alright, well, I've chose the wrong location, that's for sure. I think this is how I... No, that's not how I get up. Okay. Okay. Oh. I don't know. Oh no, I should have chose the top one. Oh. Didn't I just come from that way? Oh, it's literally right where I was standing. I feel like the noise it's making is matching that emote right there. Why wasn't it going off? I spun in a circle and everything. So I did guess right. I was like, I don't think I guessed right. Literally, I guessed right like every time now. It's pretty lucky. Gatsby, welcome in. How are you doing? Sneaks in the back of the room, but don't tell anyone I'm at work. Oh no. Yes. Hi, Gatsby. Hello. Welcome in. Also, Bees, I loved all of your Japan things. Bees, if you wanted to see more about Bees, sorry, I'm trying to put my foot still up. If you're trying, if you want to see any of Bees' trip, Japan trip, she like did a whole stream about it. So go watch her VOD if you missed it. It's really cool. She shared a whole bunch of stuff about her trip. And all the food pics, of course. But then you saw like some other stuff as well. You just remember why you're watching the stream? Because the struggle is real. Oh gosh. There was a trip stream. Yeah, it was like a recap of the trip. Not on the trip. All the special Japanese Kit Kat flavors. She had some cool ones. She had some cool ones. I have the matcha ones in my refrigerator right now. They were melting. But I bought them at the Asian market near my, well, not near my house, but I bought them there. They taste really good though. It's like a matcha latte one. So there's like 2 different matcha ones, I think. You have my volume lowered so I didn't hear what you said. No, I said I loved seeing all the stuff you shared on your stream. It was cool. Excited to toast the caramel. Well, you have to toast them. I remember you saying something about that. I was kind of confused what you were talking about, putting them in the microwave or something. Alright, are you all ready? I'm actually really nervous. Oh, that's right. I gotta pull out my thingy. I remembered how to do it this time, though. Chunky, welcome in. How's it going? Yuzu matcha. I don't think so. Are they a Kit Kat? Is that what you're talking about? I don't know how he's making all these different sounds. He's doing the same thing every time. What's happening? Are you broken? must be normal, but a little scared. I don't know why that was scary. She was like singing at the same time as the whatever the music instrument was. Oh my gosh. Just relaxing. That's good. Did you have the day off too? It said it was delicious toasted. I don't have a toaster oven at home though. Toasted. I can't imagine how you would toast that otherwise though. Interesting. My day was good. How was your day though? Gotta try and do it more? Yeah, especially if you really like that game, for sure. Let her express herself? It was terrifying. That was terrifying. Here's Wonderwall. Thrust your sword into the center of the market. Open the way to a new silent realm. Oh, jeez. I'm not ready. Leave me alone. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, I'm nervous about this. I feel like this one's gonna be the hardest one for sure. Especially because this is in the fire, and the other areas were a little bit easier to run around. This one I have to avoid the fire. I don't know. Okay. Master Monica. You stand within Din's silent realm, the third trial. It will test the limits of your power. To locate the last flame that will enhance your sword, you must first complete this final trial and achieve spiritual growth once again. I'm nervous. What just happened? Oh, I thought you pulled this heart out. I was like, well, this is depressing. Do people at work and finance have a sense of humor? Depends. Depends on the person, I think, I would say. I mean, it's just like any other job, right? Some people just don't have senses of humor. Right? They're just themselves no matter what. I feel like you could say that about anybody, honestly. You got the spirit vessel. This mysterious plant represents your spirit, Monica. I actually really think that thing is pretty. When your vessel is full, your spirit will grow and you will be entrusted with a new power by the goddess. Do you have any questions? Can you do this for me? No, I don't have any questions. Understood, Master. Okay. Master, I await your return in the outside world. Alright. This is that big area. We're gonna fail this a few times, so just cut me some slack, okay? Oh, this one right there, perfect. Right in front of that ghost thing. Chill! Oh my gosh, it's coming for me already! Oh, shoot. It's just a public library. You got a tier of Din. This object power halts the movement. Okay, yes, just like all the other ones. Okay, perfect. We're jumping down into the lava. Not what I had in mind, actually, to be honest. How the heck do I get that one? Actually, hold on. Never mind. Don't mind me just losing all my hearts to nothing. Oh wait, I don't have any hearts. Just kidding. We're fine. I don't have any hearts. Like Mario. Okay. I think it's right here, right? Okay. This one right there. Okay. How do I get that one? I don't think I can claim on those things. Maybe I can. Nope! Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay, let's go this way then. Oh, shoot! Oh, no. This isn't going well for me. Okay, well, I'm in the... Crescendo, welcome in. Oh, jeez. Oh, that side. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm glad that that stopped them, because, jeez, that was terrifying. I'm killing it. Yep, exactly. No, thank you. Okay, that side. I need to go back over there, I guess. Okay. Wait, what's down there? It's like lit up right there. What? Oh, shoot! I think it's just a door. No! Okay. Okay. Can I climb back up this though? Oh, yes I can. Yeah, let's go this way, get this one. And oh, those are just the ways I can't go. Okay, that like restricts me to this area. That makes more sense. I don't think I noticed that before, but I don't think the other areas were set up like this. Okay, let's go back down this way again because I see that one over there. Don't mind me just literally running in circles for no reason. Oh shoot, just jumped in the lava almost. Mikachu, thank you for lurking. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. I hope you're having a good day. And thanks for collecting your candy. How do I even get over there? Hello? Let's see. Thanks for collecting your candy. I heard that accounts like candy corn? Accountants? I don't like candy corn. I don't think that's true. I think you're just making stuff up. Okay, there's one up there. Wait, how do I get that one? Huh. What? Can I walk by him? Yeah, he's fine. Don't scare me like that. You love me right here. Thank you. Can we get a shout out for Mikachu? Everybody check out Mikachu. She's playing, she's gonna be playing Tears of the Kingdom soon. But welcome in. How are you doing? Would I lie to a woman? You know, I think that's not... Wait, it shows in the map where they are? Or are those the
Some
ones I
days are like
collected?
my dude kind of days, but some days are like, my dude kind of days. Frowning face. But this stream is always a my dude kind of stream.
Oh my gosh. Thanks, Ventus. Oh, jeez. Balin, welcome in. Thank you for the lurk. I appreciate it. This music is peaceful, totally not stressful. No comment. It's honestly not bad. I'm just stressed, okay? I don't think the music is stressful. I'm just stressed. I don't think they're related. Wait, can I jump? No, I can't. Wait, how do I get that? Darn it. No. Can I go back? Oh, wait, hold on. Maybe this way. Hardly any random enemy mobs? What is that supposed to mean? Can I jump on that? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Get it, Link. Oh, no, get it. Go. Link, move. Yes. Okay. What have I thought of previous dungeon bosses? The one in the water temple was it was very painful. That one was, I think, the hardest one. And the one that was, I think the second one I did was really hard too. The one where I had to time the bombs right and hit it in the eye. I don't think I did. It took me a long time to figure out what I was supposed to be doing in that game. In that boss fight. But the one in the water temple that looked like a genie lamp kind of, that one was a pain. The ship one. No, the ship one wasn't bad. It only took me 2 tries. Ancient Sister. No, that one was a pain though. I'm used to the Zelda games I played just being just saturated with mobs. Yeah, this one, you're right. This one doesn't seem to have, well, there are random enemies. This phase of the game though, I'm in a different realm. Like there's not going to be mobs in this portion of the game where I am right now. But there is random enemies that do attack me throughout the game in this one. I've had many fights and many instances where I've died. You forgot you got VIP the other day. Yeah, you said you had to spend a bunch of points. How was your week in Scorpy? I know you were like celebrating your partner's birthday, right? Okay. No. I'm trying to think if there's one over there, one over there. I think I need to go this way. Stop climbing up. Just want you to get off. Okay, there we go. How was your weekend? It was good. Today was extra good. I was glad. I was glad I had the day off. I got a lot done today. Yeah, a lot of people have got VIP. Honestly, we don't have a lot of VIPs left. I'm just letting y'all know. We're trying to get VIP. We don't have a lot left. Oh my gosh. Wait, there's up there? Jeez. Let's get this one first, I guess. I don't even know how to get this one, though. I don't know how to get over there. I don't think. I think we just did this exact same thing. I wonder if I need to go around. Maybe that's it. Let's go back. Up. Whenever you don't want mod anymore, wrecking. Yeah, this is my first try right now. So if I die, cut me some slack, okay? Run! Oh my gosh. What, you think of VIP? You can't have VIP in mod. Oh shoot, no! Wait, hold on. Oh, there's one right there. Perfect, okay. I was like, where the heck are they? I guess I'm gonna go down this way. Oh gosh. Oh shoot! That was water. I see that one. I don't know if the other one is in water, but I guess we'll just go anyways. Why would they put water here? This is rude. Literally the rudest thing this game has done. Okay, I think I have to go back. I'll have to go back up, I think. I don't know how to get that last one. It's not meant to be easy. Yeah, the last one I did 3 times, I think. How you dodge that water? I'm getting lucky. I'm getting better at these controls for sure. You want to drink that water? It's like contaminated Kool-Aid. Contaminated. Contaminated the word? Contaminated's not a word, right? Helped you discover your anxiety? Oh no. Blame Zelda. It's mineral rich. It looks like it has like a reddish blue tint, which doesn't sound possible. Alright, let's go again. Thanks for the flirt, Gatsby. I'm gonna go this way this time, I guess. No! Don't go in there! Oh my gosh. Okay, I think maybe the other one's right here, maybe? Only because, yeah, because there was something there before. Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna die. Game. Okay, there's one right there. Where the heck's the other ones? Where the heck are those ones? Rude. Looks like mercury. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. Thank you for the look, though, Gatsby. I hope work goes well. Time to be productive. No worries. Thanks for stopping in, Henry. Have a wonderful night. Let's go this way. Guess we're going up the hill. I still don't know how to get that other one down here, unless I can get it over here. Not here, obviously, but... Oh, shoot! I didn't know there was one right there. Darn it. Oh, gosh. I don't even know where one is. Oh, this isn't good. No! Oh, darn it. I didn't know where one was. Okay, so now I can unfortunately confirm that you have failed to pass the trial. Thanks. You can just tell me I failed. As long as you have the will and determination, you can retry a trial as many times as you like. Thanks. A good strategy is to find, but then deliberately not pick up the most easily accessible. Oh, I did that in the last one. You're right. She's right. This one's a lot harder, though. Until you discover and really need one. If you just said get good, yeah. Collect the 15 tiers and complete the trial, yes. It's that way. Okay, so I need to figure out how to get... I can't knock that down. The one that's over there. Oh shoot, I can't go that way. Can I? Don't mind me, I'm just gonna die for no reason, basically. Oh. Wait, I didn't know this stopped it. I just ran in this circle. A moment of silence. Thank you. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to get that one over there. Because I was over there, and I feel like I should have got it. I'm trying to get that thing to come further this way, so whenever I go this way, it's easier to get away from him. Okay. That one over there. That's the one that I don't know how to get. But I also don't... I think I have to get it from the other side. Okay, we're gonna go up the hill first. I was like, do I just attempt to get it without going that way? But I don't think I can. Okay, run! Oh shoot, I didn't have any rest. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I should have done that. That's what I should have done. Grab that first. Run! Link, go, go, go! Oh my gosh, run, run, run! Ah. The stress. Okay, we're fine, we're fine. No panicking. No need to panic. Okay. As I'm literally so panicked right now. Okay. That was really close. That thing was about to hit me. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay. So the blue parts are the parts I visited, right? Even if I haven't gotten it on this run. Okay, so there's some other parts I haven't been to, but I'm not really sure where they are. This is a big area. Brawler, welcome in. How are you doing? This one's just rough to navigate. I don't think I can go this way because I don't know how to use a bomb in this part, so I guess we're going back down. Oh, there's one right there. Of course there is. Of course there. Oh, geez. Oh, jeez. Okay, can you come out away from that thing? Come this way. Oh, shoot. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to come back for that one, I guess. We know where it is now. I need to get a different one, I guess. Oh my gosh, it's so close. It's so close. I'm going this way. To get away from that one. I'm sure there's one up here too, isn't there? I mean, there is a thing to collect up here. Oh, there isn't a guy up here. Okay. Alright, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Okay, no need to panic, everyone. I'll do the panicking for all of us. Oh, shoot. Oh, I thought I was gonna hit that red water. Okay, we're fine. I'm very stressed. Okay. Most of them are down there, so I think there's another. Well, we know where that one is up there. There's got to be another one up the hill somewhere, though. I'm not sure. Stop doing that. All right. I'm gonna save that one right there for later. More clean than Fiji water? Is that so? I don't know if I believe you. Okay, so there's a few more. There's that one right there. I don't know what else is up the hill. I'm gonna go see if I can get that one that's down there. Maybe welcome in. I'm under lots of stress. Tap water is better than Fiji water. Like the bottled water? Is that what you're talking about? Isn't there like a Fiji bottled water? I never get that one. But thank you, Navy. I appreciate it. I just redid it today. Have you started Tears of the Kingdom, Navy? Oh, you've never had Fiji water either. Oh, okay. It looks really bright. Yeah, I just redid it like a couple hours ago, so it's pretty bright. Poland spring water. I think that's an East Coast thing. Poland spring. That name's familiar, but I lived on the East Coast for a while, so that could be why too. I'm not far into it though. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think anybody's that far. I mean, I guess I've heard of one person beating the game so far. So, I don't know if a lot of people have. You don't really drink bottled water a lot? Yeah, no, me either, really. That's fair. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think Fiji Road is supposed to be one of the better ones, I thought, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm going back for this one because I want to make sure there's nothing else up this hill. No! No! Darn it. Okay, we're coming back in a minute. Never mind. If I run next to something, I'm gonna die, I think. Oh, jeez. Excuse me, stay away from me. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Yeah, this is our... Is this our second time? I think it's our second time. I think it'll take me a while to beat. I've heard that too, though. Yeah. For my Brita. Yeah, I have a Brita too. Yeah. JB, welcome in. How are you doing? Thanks for collecting your candy. We got this. We got this. Don't worry. I know. Well, what happened there, I made it past it and then I slid the wrong way. I was trying to slide down the other side and it slid me back the other way. That was my bad. I'll just keep running next time. Have to avoid the lights. Thank you. Relic, hello. Laszlo, hello. Welcome in. How are y'all doing? Don't mind me just casually having a conversation with the stress of the music in the background. I can't, okay? I just can't. Okay, let's go this way this time. I think this one's this way. Is this thing seriously still following me up here? Chill. Get out of here. Okay, we're fine. Oh, shoot. Happy little sprinkles, welcome in. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Gonna have to call you dead. Oh gosh. Okay, we're keeping that one there still. That's like my escape route, okay? That one's like if I come down the hill and I really need it, okay? It's backup. Backup plan. Here for the lurk. I appreciate you stopping in and lurking. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Hope you, if you got the day off, I hope you enjoyed it. You got to relax a little bit. Pro gamer strat. Oh shoot, I forgot the timer's running. Thank you. Right after it turns around. Okay, run, 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 run. And then we're gonna turn the hill and we're gonna be fine. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. Okay. Okay, run, Link. Just slide down. Just thank you. Oh, that was the worst way you could have slid down. But alright. You know, we'll let it slide. That was only the third time we tried to get that one right there. Okay, I think we have all the rest of them are probably this way now, I think. Except for that one that I know where it is. Yes, thank you. We have new follower emotes. I got them off of Twitter earlier. I thought they fit better than the cats, for sure. Oh gosh! Oh shoot! That's what I was trying to avoid. Yes, okay, thank you. Yeah, Sunshine Arts, yeah. They're on their Twitter. If anybody needs some emotes. Yes, they are really cute. They're really cute. I liked them. Honestly, it was like an impulse. Like, I saw them and I was like, I want these. Because I've seen their emotes show up on my feed before. But they were just very fitting, you know, the Koroks. Oh my gosh. Link, just run in a straight line, please. Yeah, stressing me out right now. Yeah, I tagged them, so they should have, like, the artist badge, but I'm assuming that they just haven't approved them yet. She made Koroks. Yes, they're so cute. I love them. That's cool. I didn't realize that she did them like that. Like, she did free emotes every month. I did, like, send her some money because I was like, you know, you made these. So, you know, I feel like I should pay you. But, yeah. Let's say, I guess. Run. Run! No! Oh gosh. Or I guess them. I don't know, I don't know them personally. But yeah. I'm stressed, okay? Very warm in this room. Well, it's not really, but it is now because I'm stressed. I'm still unsure about... Wait, hold on. I think I need to go this way for one of them. Getting hot in here. It's just the stress. I don't know about that one over there. The furthest one over there. Maybe I'm just going to keep going this way really fast, because I know how to get that one. I think I have to get this one here, so we'll just go ahead and grab it. That was it. Some people do. I think it's like a way for them to promote themselves. But yeah, go check them out on Twitter. They have some other free ones up on their thing as well. I don't know if they're still there. Like, they had them, I think it was like different months. They do different ones. But yeah, you can also buy emotes on Etsy. Or if you know anyone that does emotes. I don't know how to make emotes. I've only made like one of my, well, I made a couple of my emotes, but they're my face. So, you know, that was like easy to do. But yeah, if you like those Koroks, go, they're on their Twitter. There's more than just the ones I uploaded. I think there was like 8 or something. I don't know how to get this. No. I think the only way is to come from there, but I don't know how to get over there. Where's this? Wait, hold on. Where am I? Oh, I'm right here. Is it this that I'm looking at? Yeah, I think so. I'm thinking like from up here. Oh, wait. I just got that one. There was no way to get through there. I don't think. We have to go back. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I'm stressed. Alright, how many tries did this take you all to get? I must know. I'm gonna get this one. Two? Okay, well that's really good. Jeez. Get them! Go! Link! Go! Okay, really? I'm pressing R. Oh my gosh. He's like, nah. I think this R stick is broken. I don't know, it doesn't do things half the time. That sounds so stressful, right? When they're about to attack me? I agree. I wouldn't be surprised if this took me more attempts than the last one we did, though. But honestly, we're doing okay. We only have 3. And the only one that I don't know where it is, I mean, because we didn't get this one. Wait, no. We didn't get this one. That one's not that hard to get. And that one. But then this one that's down here, that's the one that I need to get. I need to walk like a rope or something. But I got this one. I didn't see... I feel like I'm going to waste my time going back this way. But I'm not really sure how else to get there. But I didn't see a path there either. So I don't know. We'll find out, I suppose. No! Oh. You need to chill. You need to chill. I don't know how to get past that one. Alright, I guess we'll just go get this one then. We're sticks, right? Oh gosh. Not actually. Oh, climb up. What are you doing? Please. Oh gosh. No. No. That one's terrifying. What the heck was that? Why was it laughing at me like that? That's a nightmare right there. Can I? There's a hole to crawl in! Oh my gosh. That actually was a good thing that I did that. Because I didn't see the hole until now. Oh my gosh. Imagine. I would have went back. I was going to go back up that hill. But nope. I saw the hole because I went back to get that. Okay, that was meant to be, right? Okay. Can I jump on that, maybe? Okay. Okay. Okay, so we only have one more, and that's the one at the bottom of that ramp. Okay, so we got this. Link defying physics. I don't think I could climb that, that's for sure. Alright. Alright, one more. We got this! I'm so excited. No! I thought if I just ran like a little bit. Alright, come on. Alright. This is it. We got it. Are y'all ready? Oh my gosh, we're running out of time. We're running out of time. It's okay. It's right here. We're fine. We're fine. You collected every last tear of din. Monica's spirit has grown. The trial will continue until you exit the Silent Realm. Proceed with caution. Oh, jeez. Yes, we did it! We did it! Thanks for the celebrate. Thanks for the hype. Link's too angry on the inside to accept physics. Yeah, exactly. He doesn't... it doesn't apply to Link, okay? Alright, we're out of here. To never do another trial like this again. You got the fire shield earrings. With these, you can stand any heat without a sweat. This is one of the 3 sacred gifts left by the goddess. Can I run through the lava now? I don't really like the Silent Realms. They're very stressful. But honestly, it's been one of the harder parts of this game. So, I mean, it's nice to have like a... It's a nice challenge from some of the other stuff in this game. Some of the other stuff's pretty easy. Besides the boss fights, but, you know. Short views, welcome in. How are you doing? It was good. It was good. How was Super Mario World earlier? Welcome back. I conjecture your newly acquired fire shield earrings will allow you to safely travel in extremely hot areas. I recommend continuing your search for the sacred flame. Okay. Just a little stressed. No big deal. No big deal. Alright, I'm going to take a small break. I'm going to run to the bathroom really fast, and then we're going to be right back. Honestly, I thought that was going to take me a whole other attempt. I'm not going to lie. Oh, look, the question mark on the map. You know? The question mark. Imagine if that chaos just brought, like, flames to the bottom of the screen. All right, I'll be right back. I'm going to run an ad really fast. That way you guys won't miss anything, or won't miss anything later when it runs. And I will be right back. So everybody else go stretch your legs, get some water. It was second try, but yeah. First try, exactly. I'll be right back. Want to see it? I haven't seen any of them in a long time, though. I don't even remember what the second one is about. I think I've seen it, but I don't remember. Sin Gen 9K Monaco. I wish. If you use like the channel, if I use like the Streamlabs points, would you guys have points? Streamlabs like it lets you accumulate them, but I don't know. Yeah, see, 583,000. I don't have anything to do with them. I think you can gamble them or something. You want to 3.4K? Oh my gosh, you're almost there. You'll be there in no time. All right, so now we gotta go up the volcano. Is this the part? I probably should use the little like vent thing, because I think that's where this is. It won't actually let you gamble all. I have it set so that you can't actually gamble all. It'll only gamble like a certain amount. I think it's like, yeah. But it doesn't do anything. Those points aren't for anything. So, it's not for anything. For your own enjoyment, I suppose, right? Did I save? I did, right? Do you guys remember? I think I did. Oh, what is this? I don't even know what just happened? One Eldin roller. These small-bodied bugs roll a big ball of something. The way this busily roll... They busily roll stuff back to their nest. Oh, okay. I haven't caught any of those before. You're hungry? Oh, pizza. Oh, okay. I redeem my points for a slice of cheese pizza. If I had pizza to give... Oh, my earrings are glowing. This is the spot. I think it's this way. Oh, that's right. I remember because I tried to go up here and it said, it's too hot. And I was like, burning. Okay, I remember this. I have a status update for you. What is this music? We are in... Okay, something about the Eldin volcano. I didn't read it. Volcano Summit. I am detecting extremely high temperatures in this area. However, your fire shield earrings will allow for extended periods of exploration. I calculate the probability of finding the final sacred flame here at 90%. I recommend searching for flames. Okay. It looks like there's a lot of map left. I wonder what else there is on this map. Okay. Thanks for stopping in, happy little sprinkles. Yes, have a wonderful night if you're headed out. Or day. Dyson vacuums for points. Great deal. No, I don't know. Wrecking. I'm sorry, but I can't get you all vacuums. I can't. I simply cannot. You have 526,000 too. Like, you have a Dyson. I think the Dyson vacuums are really nice. I do not have a Dyson. I have a Bissell, I think, you know. The normal one you get at Walmart, you know. Vacuums for everyone. What is this? You guys think you're on Oprah? What? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Honestly, I really haven't had to fight much today, so... Alright, valid. Okay. Have a good night, Crescendo. Thanks for stopping in. Have a wonderful night. Get some good rest if you're headed to bed. What if I get 1,000,000 points? I will clap for you. I don't know. I got my Dyson on sale at Costco. Okay, that's, yeah, Costco's probably a good place. Yeah. Have a shark vacuum. It's small but awesome. I think my family used to have a shark vacuum. I think when I was growing up. I think I'm winning tickets at an arcade. I'll mail you a Dave & Buster's gift card with a bunch of points on it, and you can just take it in there with all your points and redeem it for something. No, I'm sorry. It doesn't work like that. I have a cheap Dirt Devil. Okay, Dirt Devils. I mean, that's a popular name. Lasted forever, exactly. What are these points? They aren't the channel... No, they're not. They're not the channel points. They're just, like, the Streamlabs points. And I don't know why Streamlabs just accumulates points for, like, watch time and, like, consecutive watch time. And VIPs and mods get more points and all sorts of stuff. But you get, like, just for being in the channel. I don't know what they're for. I mean, they're not for anything. It was, like, 250. Oh, okay. That's awesome. Paul, thanks for collecting your candy. But yes, have a wonderful night if you're headed out. Alright, Volcano Summit. I don't know why I would need to place any waypoint thingies on here. No, you all shouldn't have formed into one. This is a scam. That's where I came in. This looks like something. Okay, I hate it here. I would like to leave. Okay. I don't think I can do anything in here. Oh my geez. Alright, well, I guess we're going this way then, for now. Oh, I knew bats were coming to attack me. Oh, What is this? I don't understand the point of that thing. Why do I feel like this? I'm gonna like slide through this. Oh, this is how I get back up. Okay. I was afraid to jump down there because I was like, how am I gonna get back up? But I see. I see. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's something there. Oh my jeez. Link, use your weapon! What is he doing? Not doing what I'm telling him to do, that's for sure. Oh jeez. It's Link's fault, like, come on. There we go, I'll just target him. Perfect. You have to move now. Wow, that was really easy. Why wasn't I just doing that the whole time? Okay, get out of here. Alright, let's go. Oh, this isn't anything. I thought this was a walkway. Oh my gosh. Okay, so really we can only go this way, I think. We're up there. Okay, what's outside? Well, it looks outside. It's probably not outside. Oh, it is outside. Okay. Alright. Healing water? No. That was worth a shot, okay? I don't really understand why I'm outside. Volcanic ladybug. They say these bugs get their deep red hue from the ore they eat. They are slowly moving and tend to stay in one place. Or slow moving and tend to stay in one place. Thanks for contributing to the crowd control. Also, yes, there's a crowd control Sims channel community challenge. If anybody wants to contribute to that, we will do a crowd control stream, which will be very chaotic. Welcome in, Bruce. How's your day going so far? How's your Tuesday? I'm doing pretty good. Not too bad. I didn't have to work today, so that was good, of course. Nope. Out of here. Oh, there's a Goron in here. Hello. Oh, hey, we meet again. How have you been, bud? I rumbled over here because I heard someone had spotted some goddess cubes in the area. I have got a hunch they may be down in that direction, but this flaming wall of fire is blocking the way. I wish there was something we could do to put out these flames. Master, I have information for you. With the enhanced capabilities of your sword, you are now able to use your dowsing ability to find the goddess cubes. Oh, that'd be nice. Okay. I have taken the liberty of registering goddess cubes as dowsing targets. Please use this ability as you deem necessary. Okay. Awesome. Thanks, Fee. Appreciate you. Alright, what does this say? Quench my thirst to clear your path. Alright. The way that I want to stab this thing is it's real. No, apparently not. I don't have any water. Oh, there's water outside! It's alright. We know what we're doing. You got this. You got this. All I want to do is play my games, though. You know, it's good that you're getting stuff done, though. I feel that. I feel that. You got some water. It's just normal water, but it might come in handy sometime. Thanks. Jeez, every time you're just in the middle of my path. Do you have a lot of schoolwork to do today? That was pretty easy. If I wouldn't have went outside, though. Oh, also, I think somebody else redeemed hydrate earlier. Lazo, I think I was busy. I don't know if I did the hydrate, so I'll do 2 hydrates. I was very stressed, okay? I think I was running for my life when you redeemed that, Laszlo. Hey, the flames are out. Now we can get through here. Let's go. Is he gonna help me? I love this. If he helps me. Oh, do I need more water? Okay. Well, this is what I get for not buying, or not having more than one bottle, I suppose, huh? Oh, jeez. That's a weak hydrate. Okay, I'll give you another one. I'm not gonna chug the water down, okay? Just 2 drinks. Alright, I guess we're getting another one. Is there more bottles? There probably is. Calm down on the vodka. Blame wrecking. Still so much to have taken some time to make some food. So I have lunch for the next few days. Ooh, okay. Meal prepping. That's good. Alright. I don't know why. I just felt like I needed to get that just in case I need it for something. So what kind of food did you prepare for yourself? Do you always make like the same thing? What's this? Oh, I bet that thing's not even gonna say that it... I wonder why there's a lot of bugs in here. Okay. I don't know why I'm wasting my time catching all the bugs. You know, maybe it'll be worth something. Oh wait, I have more room in my inventory now for bomb. Oh, 20. Okay, never mind. I have maxed out now. Alright, I feel like there's a lot of things to dig here. Why is that one so creepy looking? Mac and cheese. I try to change it up. Haven't had mac and cheese for over a year. Oh, wow. I don't want to get sick of my favorite foods. That makes sense. Yeah. That makes sense. Animal Crossing at home. Yep, that's what this is. Yep. What does that say, though? Okay, I'm not that good. You want me to, what, toss the bottle at you? Maybe you want a bomb. Because I can do that. You were thinking about mac and cheese today, too? Yeah, I try not to make the same food all the time. This time when I went to the store yesterday, I bought, like, barely anything that I had been getting. It's like, I need to get some different stuff. Oh, that didn't work. Mac and cheese from scratch? I haven't really made mac and cheese from scratch in a long time. It's been, like, a really long time. I go to the clip. Also, that reminds me, anybody who's in the Discord, I mean, it made me think of that because the clips go to the Discord. If you're in the Discord, I updated some things. So make sure you use the thing at the top if you don't want to see certain channels. Like, if you don't care about Animal Crossing, don't select Animal Crossing, you know. And there's, like, it'll just, like, hide some stuff. It'll make it easier for you to navigate what you do want to look for in the Discord. That Toad seems thirsty. Okay, yeah, but how do we get over there? Run and jump? Why are you trying to do animal abuse with that toad? I was trying to get it water, but I don't know how to get water over there. I can't, like, throw. How am I supposed to get up to the... Oh, my God. Jen, I'm gonna let it slide. Because you've never played this game. Yeah, I was like, no, you're fine. You're fine. I thought it wanted me to put a bomb there, though, because there was bombs in the room. All right. That made sense. Okay. Yeah, no worries about the clips. Anybody can make clips. Feel free to use it whenever you want. There's a chance you'll see it on TikTok or YouTube Shorts or whatever. Wherever you follow me at. Instagram. I don't know. I put them on all of them. this doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Hey, nice work, bud. Now we are getting somewhere. Okay. Thanks for the fail also. I was about to tell you to look at your surroundings. You know, they always tell me I don't look up, and they would be correct. I don't look up. What's going on with that? Probably nothing, but it freaks me out. They equals me, yeah, I know. Why did he look mad? You know, I don't know. Government, welcome in. Hello, hello. Thanks for collecting your candy. Ooh, we got an extra one. That is just a clue to the hole? Yeah, but the hole looks weird. That's what I was thinking, too. I didn't dig anything up there. I don't think. Can't get any more rupees because I don't have any room. What's the point of the hole? That's why I thought the hole to me thought was a clue to that. And so maybe it fall into it. I don't know. That didn't make sense to me. Wait, am I supposed to do something with that hole? Hold on. No. I don't know. Okay. If only Bunny were here. You guys are making me question this hole now. I thought it looked weird before. I feel like I'm doing all this for nothing, though. What is happening? Chat is making me focus on a hole that means nothing. I'm out of here. No, don't tell me. Not yet. Let's see what he says now. Do you see this, bud? Talk about intriguing. We are definitely off the map here. This does not feel like goddess cube stuff to me. I bet there's something super important hidden around here. You know, I didn't even use the goddess cube thing. All I can say is that that is a big frog with a big thirst. I do not think the amount of water one of your little bottles can hold is going to cut it this time. You will have to have a big container to hold the water needed for this job. Got anything like that? No. And speaking of which, where are you going to get all the water? I gotta say, I'm pretty much stumped. Well, I have a feeling I'm gonna figure it out, so don't doubt me, sir. Did my stream die? What's up with the hole on the right? That's what I was just looking at! What are you talking about? Could you pause and go to your menu where it shows your bugs and other stuff? Yeah, 1 second. This thing? Government mule, hello. Government pants, I know. 2 governments here. Your name freaked me out for 0.2 seconds. Sorry. You're like, did I chat? I don't remember saying anything. Sorry, I'm not spying on you, I promise. You were just curious of something. Okay. Well, I definitely don't have all the stuff that belongs in that thing. That's for sure. You're missing quite a bit? Oh, shoot. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit my mic. No, I'm not. Honestly, I've gotten 3 things today. Maybe only 2. But I felt like I got quite a bit, okay? I have more than I did before the stream started, so I'm feeling pretty good about it. Okay? Winning! I don't know what's going on here. Why that looks suspicious like that. Okay. Is that a bench? Oh, it is. Not that I really need to sit, but, you know. Okay. Alright. I'm sitting really weird. I need to figure out... I think I need to go this way. Oh, just kidding. I need to go this one. This one I can actually get out of. The only one. Oh my gosh. Terrifying. Hang down. I don't know what we're doing. Can I... I'm gonna fall to my death. There's no way! You're headed to bed. Thanks for hanging out, Shiro. Get some good rest. Oh, thanks for the posture check. Thanks for the good nights, everyone. Alright, I don't think that's the one. I don't know what those red dots are. Curious. Remember to look at your surroundings. I am, I promise. I promise. Don't worry, I got my bug for this, okay? I got it. Going out. Oh, just kidding. There's that thing. Okay. Alright, we figured it out. Forgot to look straight. Just decided to hang down instead. Thought there'd be a ledge there, okay? When my first option's gone, I just give up. You guys have a wonderful night if you're headed out. Oh, jeez. Okay, I can't go anything there, so... I don't like these things. I can't kill them. Oh my god! Oh, jeez. Bye! Bye! Oh, jeez. I mean, she did tell me to look for goddess cubes, but it doesn't really make sense how they would help me, because they don't really help me with this stuff. It'd be backseating? That's fair, you know, that's a valid point. Whoa! Why is this one gold looking? So, I'm assuming that I need to go to the sky and do whatever that goddess cube thing. That's what I'm assuming. Maybe that thing is going to make it rain or something? It's got to be right up there. I don't understand why they would have given me the thing to look for goddess cubes right here. And why I would clearly have to have found that one otherwise. So... I guess that's what we gotta do. Stop it. Alright, let's save and go to the sky. That's why the statue's here, too. Why is it sticking out so far? Feels out of place. You know, I think I can tell you guys are all trying to be quiet. You're like, I don't want to say anything. Come on, you all. I can't like I can't say anything. All right. Where's the cube I just released? Over here. That's the only one that we haven't looked for. All right. Wise choice. Reckons like, I just want to time out somebody today. I also don't want to go to work to Equilux, so can someone also go work for me? Please? Okay. Going in. Maybe. I'm not high enough up, I think. Alright. Is that where it was? That rainbow area? I think so. You know, I knew I was gonna have to do more in here eventually. Group struggle, exactly. It'll be a group struggle. It's hard because I'm honestly not tired. And so, like, thinking about, like, this isn't it, is it? Nope. Thinking about, going to sleep, I'm like, I'm not tired. Yeah, exactly. Like, on days like this, it's really hard, because... Oh, shoot. I didn't go far enough over. Like, just when it's Monday, you know? Or when you have Monday off is what I'm trying to say. It's 12:30 and I'm wide awake. Oh, gosh. Coffee at 7 wasn't a good idea. That was planned? Yep, it was planned. Exactly. No. No, 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 no! Run, 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 run! Oh my gosh. What's this? This isn't it. Oh my gosh, I'm at the wrong chest. Are you kidding me? I was like, I don't need these little things. I know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. We've learned here. I was trying to jump off. Oh, it was a little dramatic, Link, but alright. Right, fine. You're just disappointing me left and right today. Okay. Yeah, I took a nap at like 5 o'clock. Shouldn't have done that. Why is this one so low? Am I not? Is it not even in the circle? Oh, jeez. Can I go through these clouds or no? What am I doing? Am I still flying? No? I think it's a glitch. I don't think I can go through it. I'm pushing like as far down as I can. I think I would have been... Yeah, it's not doing anything. Okay, I have to get out of this, I guess. Alright, it's in the normal area of land, apparently. You know, this is supposed to be, they say this is like the first game in the timeline, so how are Link's legs in like Breath of the Wild, you know? They're fine, right? I love it, but I always make my day, it makes my day worse. I don't know, I like napping, because honestly, I'm not having enough energy for stream most of the time. But today I was just like, you know, I was trying to have as lazy of a day as possible while being productive. Did you look up? No. I guess I just assumed that blue thing meant that it was down there. Okay. Oh, jeez. So it's this island? I see it, maybe. Maybe. Oh, I don't think this is open, though. Nope, it's not this one. Am I in the right area? It's in the tower, isn't it? All right. Okay. I don't know if it's actually in the tower, but we'll try that. No, don't call the bird! That was an accident! That was an accident. Oh, just kidding, call the bird. Emmy, welcome in. How are you doing today? Happy Monday. Alright. You know, one day we'll get it, okay? Don't judge me, alright? Oh shoot, don't crawl back out. Don't do it. Okay. I don't know where a chest should be in here, though. It's not in here. Is it on top of the tower? I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this right now, because yeah. Alright, must be on top. Alright, we've tried everything except for the top of the tower, so... that's where we're going next. Don't mind me. Oh my gosh, literally always the last place you look, huh? A small bomb bag. What? What? Excuse me? Okay, what about this island? It looks sus. I did say look up. You didn't look up. I did look up! I did! I thought that looking up was getting the thing that I needed. I already have 2 of those. That's why I'm not happy about it. I already have 2 of those things. There's already another one in the item check. Shouldn't have bought the upgrade. Would have known I was gonna get it. Okay, well, we didn't need that. I don't know why she wanted me to get the goddess things. Maybe you should just make a command, which I would probably have to make, that counts how many times I don't look up. You know, like, that's the problem. You can do it after. After, you know. She's gonna break a controller. You think I'm gonna break a controller? I don't know about all that. You think because of, like, all the up and down I'm doing? Maybe. Yeah, you haven't played this one, Emmy? Why not? What's stopping you from playing it? It's not like you're low on cash, though. I mean, yeah, I'm max money. What, should I go buy something? You want me to spend my dollars? You should get it sometime, then. Buy a cheese pizza. Oh, jeez. The other bomb pack. I don't need it. Oh, jeez. It is pretty good. I'm enjoying it so far. Okay. Look up. That's what I... You know what? I remember vividly looking up. I'm not gonna lie. I remember this. I looked up. Looked up over here. I looked up over there. Apparently, I just need my little bug thing, okay? Maybe it wants a bomb on its tongue. There's nothing up here. Obviously, this isn't obvious. It's just a little castle. Okay, well, I can't look up anymore in this. I'm looking as far up as I can. Okay, apparently I can look higher. Hold on. Okay, that was a weird angle. Okay. Nope, there's nothing up there either. What do you have to say? How are we supposed to give this fellow enough water? Whatever it is, it's going to have to be one big container. We've been adventuring all over the place, right? Got any ideas? No? No, I do not. What about that? That looks like something. Just kidding. That's the sky. Maybe I go back over here? Is there something else I need to jump to over here? Maybe? No, I don't think so. Have you tried using spoilers? Yeah, I have. Absolutely. I don't have any other thing that will hold a lot of water. I don't know what he's talking about. I mean... Oh, okay. Yeah, you have a lot then that you haven't played. Definitely a lot that you can play. Okay, well, obviously this has something to do with this hole. I already tried a bomb on this hole, and I used the little wind thing. What? That's not it. I think you're thinking that something should be, like, out of all the things in this game, nothing seems obvious right here. The holes are something I can't do yet. Okay. Mr. Ware, hello, hello, welcome in. Okay, so I can't do the hole yet. Perfect. Good to know. You never finished it? Aw. Well, hopefully you get to go back and play it at some point. The answer to this is not obvious. Okay. Also, there's another thing right there. Okay. These things? I already did. I was doing the goddess cube one, I think. That's what it told me to. That's what it gave to me here. I haven't played Twilight Princess though. Maybe at some point. I feel like I need to use, like, this guy for something. Like, carry something. Maybe. You also played Age of Calamity? Oh, cool. I don't know what you mean by sky holes. Are you talking about from Twilight Princess? Because I haven't played that. Oh, okay. I'm assuming they've given me everything I would need. I can ask Fee what she says. Your current objective is to search Eldin province for the third sacred flame. Okay, that's what you want to tell me. There's a strong possibility that this flame is housed in the large structure you discovered, but the entrance is blocked by a wall of flames. Based on my projections, in order to extinguish the fire, you will need a large amount of water and a vessel in which to transport it. You should focus your efforts on securing these items. Like Goron says, interesting keywords. Okay, I'll talk to him again. You were 6. Well, yeah, I bet it would be scary as a 6-year-old. I think Majora's Mask would be really scary if you played that as a kid, too. Lots of water and something to carry it around in. Any bright ideas on where to find those things? I know where water is. Something to carry it around in. I don't think that that's really that good of a... Yeah, I don't think that that's really that good of a keyword. I mean, I see the word bright. Like this guy. Should I make brownies or scones? Brownies. I would always pick brownies. They sound delicious. Creative time. Yeah, I've got creative time as well. Yeah, I see the bright ideas, but that's the only thing that only other words in there. Can this thing pick that up? Oh, it can. But they don't have any water in these things, I don't imagine. I'm gonna go back outside and see what what's out here at the beginning. Brownies it is, yes, yum. Oh no. Oh hey. Well, look who we have here. You still looking for your friend? Of course, I'm on the hunt for treasure. Heard there were some fancy ruins out this way, so here I am. Believe it or not, I haven't found a thing. Got any information for me? Want to know? You know something? Spill it. We're friends, right? What? There's some fire blocking your path? Why don't you just pour some water on it and move on? You need how much water? Whoa, I get it. So the water we got here is not enough, right? You know, I hear the little water we got here is fed by some far-off water source called Lake Floria. So a buddy of mine went hunting for treasure in Faron Woods, and he told me he used the waterways there to find his way back home. He tells me Lake Floria was just about the biggest lake you could imagine. Bet if you checked it out, there'd be enough water there to solve your dilemma. Yeah, but like, how would I get it here? A report, Master Monica. I recommend following the Magma's advice and returning to Lake Floria. I also have advice pertinent to the situation. It concerns a method for transporting water from the lake. I suggest you visit the water dragon. Oh, she's sitting in that giant bath! Maybe not anymore. I think she's healed. The water basin is probably what it's called, right? Love a nice scone. You know, I just like chocolate, I think is what it is. Okay. Oh, literally, I didn't read the whole sentence. That you can transport a large volume of water using the water basin that the previously injured water dragon recuperated in. I didn't even read that. I just knew, okay? Would you like me to analyze previous data and register the vessel as a dowsing target, please? Master, I have completed registering the water dragon's vessel as a dowsing target. Alright, cool. Thanks. Alright. I don't feel like it was that long ago. But there was another one up there. Whatever. Where's this? Okay, so I need to go to the sky then. And then I need to go to Lake Floria. Bye-bye. You'll ruin her dragon water... bathwater business. Oh, jeez. You know, why is she selling dragon bathwater? I guess that's a thing, right? Maybe? Who knows? Alright, save. Oh, I can't go to the sky here. Shouldn't have saved here. Okay, I gotta go back out the other way, I think. I gotta go back to the other statue and then go to the sky. That's not where I needed to go. Alright, we figured it out at least. Okay. Just need to go to Lake Floria, which I'm honestly not really sure. Oh, there's a teleport. There's a teleport point right at it, actually. There is. It's outside of that thing. Where the dragon was. As long as I pick the right one. Off to bed. Have a good night, Jan. Thanks for hanging out. Get some good rest. Yes, get some rest as well, Sal. Yes, thanks for the good nights, everybody. Get some sleep. Take care of yourselves. I know it's gonna be a rough day for everybody who had today off, so. Lake Floria. Okay, let's go over here then. I am not going the right way. I need to go this way. Thanks for the good nights, everyone. Just get some rest. All you people who have to get up early like me. Oh my gosh, we're gonna just hold it at this angle. Wow. Finally learning how to fly the bird, and I'm this far into the game. Don't mind me. Okay. Is this it? Is this, what's this? Lake Floria. Okay, yeah, that's probably it. Oh. I think the waterfall's probably closer to her. I think this is where I remember where I was thinking. Unless it's moved. Good thing I didn't go too far. She moved it to a new location. Oh wait, just kidding. This is the same location it was before. Okay. This is a massive fish. I feel like she's not gonna like that I'm gonna ask her for this thing. But, you know, I did help her, so maybe she will. Ah, it's you. Tell me, are you mastering the power that dwells within your sword? Oh, you wish to borrow my water basin? Very well. I have recovered, and I have no intention of having to soak in it again. Be gone with it. It's yours to use as you please. To transport the water dragon's basin to the volcano, you will need to enlist the service of that transport robot. Shall I send word to him? Yes. 13, welcome in. Thanks for collecting your candy. How are you doing? Yes, feel free to share the story. And Nixa, welcome in. I don't know why my alert's gonna go off. Oh, it's not on the scene. Oh, I only put that on one scene, I think. Wow. Welcome in, Raiders. Hello, hello. How was your stream today? Cheese, welcome in. Princess Elia, welcome in. Can we get a shout out for Nixa? How was your stream? Were you playing some Tears of the Kingdom? Ian, welcome in as well. I'm gonna head to sleep. No worries, Equalux. Get some sleep. Get some rest. Anybody who's gotta get up early, definitely take care of yourself. Thank you so much for the raid. Oh, you were playing Minish Cap? How's Minish Cap? How are you liking it? Thank you for the raid. For anybody new here, my name is Monica. I play a lot of Zelda games and a lot of cozy games in general. We are doing our first playthrough of Skyward Sword today. So yeah, we are we're in the volcano area. Well, we're not in the volcano area currently, but we're in the volcano area. That's what we're working on. But yeah, thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. And thank you for the follow, Princess Elia. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. But have a wonderful night, Princess. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for coming in on the raid. Yeah, it's good to see you, Ian. How have you been? We've been playing through some Minish Cap. Actually, I love the game so much. Oh, okay. One of your favorite? Okay, so have you played it before, then I'm assuming? But yeah, we are getting this water basin because we need, if you've played this game, we need a lot of water. So that's what we're doing right now. But yeah, thank you for the raid. If you have to head out, please take care of yourself. Please do whatever you gotta do. I know it's late for a lot of people. One of my most replayed besides Link's Awakening? That's awesome. Have you played? I think Link's Awakening is one of the next ones we're gonna play Tears of the Kingdom. And we're gonna play, yeah, Link's Awakening. That's the one. I don't know why I always get them confused. I don't know why I always forget that one's name. But yeah, we're gonna play Link's Awakening eventually. I haven't played that one yet. I want to play Minish Cap too, but it's way further down the list. Alright. We gotta call this guy now. Understood, Master. I will call him at once. At least he loves Fee. Mistress Fee, my deep apologies for keeping you waiting. Let's see here. This cargo looks very heavy, but it's well within my payload tolerance. Master short pants. What? Carefully while I demonstrate what a real hero looks like. Oh, jeez. As usual, I shall await you in the skies above. Alright, bye. That's an accidental victory for you. Well, I'm glad you took it that way. That's good, 13. That's good. Minish Cap's great. Yeah, I'll play it eventually. Overall good. That's good to hear. That's awesome. Completely from memory? Like, you don't even need any of the guides. You just know exactly what to do. That's awesome. Legendary, welcome in. How are you doing? How are you doing? You'll take your W's. Exactly. Exactly. Master, your task here is complete for the moment. We should return to the sky so that we can set a course for the volcano. Alright. Alright. I don't even remember how to get out of the water here. It's a pain, I think. Oh, just kidding. There's a staircase right there. Oh my gosh, I made it way harder to get out of this thing last time. I didn't even realize I could get out right here. Also, J-Step, welcome in. Hello, hello. Thanks for contributing to the community challenge. Yeah, there's a community challenge if anybody has extra points they want to donate. It's okay. You know, the parts you don't remember, it'll be even better, right? Do I have these grasshoppers yet? Oh my jeez, maybe I don't want them. Bye. Alright, let's go to the sky. Absolutely nothing. Thanks for redeeming that. Are we back in the forest area? No. I don't know what you're talking about. Which one to the lake? Waiting for me to cut a bug in half? Honestly, why not, right? Okay. Ian, thanks for contributing. Yeah, I asked you all what... Nobody really gave any crowd control suggestions. We don't play The Sims a lot here, but Sims can be really chaotic, especially with crowd control, I imagine. It will be even worse. Oh my gosh! He's following me. This is so cute. Look at him. Look at him. I redid my hair today, yeah. I think this is where I need to go. Oh my gosh. It's adorable. Welcome in, Kokiri. Hello, hello. I'm doing all right. How was your weekend? You know where? Okay, good. I was like, I returned to the sky. I messed up. I thought this is the entrance to the volcano? I better get there before Master Short Pants. Oh, jeez, racing me. It's cute. I mean, it's mean to Link, but, you know, it's cute. Wait, what's happening? Oh, I don't know why that seemed like... They didn't give me any chance to pick where I went. That's offensive. What's going on? I almost blew a rotor trying to slow myself during the descent. Anyway, this is where you wanted the water, right? What, the summit? Why didn't you say so from the start? I don't want to carry this thing back to the sky. It's heavy. Is it gonna follow me? I'm confused why we have to do this again. This place is swarming with monsters. I bust up enemies like a junkyard wrecker. Too bad I've got my mitts full with this Basin. Yeah, I bet you do. It's so cute. Hey, Master Short Pants, since we came all this way, let's play a little game called Protect the Robot. Here's how it works. I'll follow you up the volcano, and you make sure nothing touches me. Got it? Good. Your job is simple. You make sure none of these monsters lays a claw on me. Not one claw. Oh, gosh. Okay, I am nervous. I guess we'll save again. Weekend went pretty well. Had a chill weekend and preparing to see the new Spider-Man. Wait, there's a new Spider-Man? I had no idea. Only character better than this guy is Groose. Groose isn't in the game as much as I wasn't anticipating him to be. I don't know if I can go this way, but I'm gonna try. Into the Spider-Verse. Okay. I didn't know that was coming out. You do the hard work and I'll get the credit. Yeah, right. Like he's gonna get any credit. Are you going to handle those or what? I'm handling it right now. What do you mean? Oh, jeez. Okay, okay, so there's a second Spider-Verse one. Okay, I haven't seen... Well, I saw the first one. I don't remember it, though. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while. I don't think I watched all of it either. Is there guys on that like thing right there too? Yeah. Okay, perfect. It was pretty good from what I remember of it, but it's been a while. You coming? I feel like his like little spinner is working at max power right now. Okay. I don't know how to fight these things, actually. Oh, shoot. That didn't work. Run! What? Why didn't I go over there? Oh. I don't know what I did last time, but something happened. I have to kill this guy? I don't know how to. Wait, do I have to? Hold on. Oh, I don't have to go that way. Never mind. Let's go this way. His propeller painted half. Oh gosh. Oh. What is this? Oh, it's that thing. Oh, okay. Wait, have I seen this person? No. Tubbert. Also, thank you for the clip. Hello there. Thanks for stopping by. First time here, am I right? The name's Tubbert. Nice to meet you. I run this little game I like to call Thrill Digger. Do you like money? How about explosions? Well, dig up some rupees before you hit a bomb in a suspenseful game of Thrill Digger. Want to try it? Is it something I have to do right now? Because if I don't have to do it right now, I'm not going to do it. That's a real question. You can answer that. No. Okay. I can come back and do it later. Did I go the wrong way then, maybe? I thought I could walk through this. This is clearly not the way I meant to go. Okay. Well, now I know this is here, though. Okay. That's good to know. What does this say? Oh. Low value rupees have only a few bad spots. Nearby, see. Okay. The higher the value of rupees, the more bad spots are nearby. Interesting. Just a mini game. Okay. Yeah, I definitely didn't go that way. Where have you been? Get me to the top of the volcano. I'm sorry. I wasn't playing the mini game, I promise. I just thought that was a shortcut. Okay, let's try and fight this thing. I don't know if I can. I've never really actually fought it, but